Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to create this little bird flapping animation. So yeah, first open flipaclip and name your animation bird or whatever you want, and turn it to 13 FPS or 14. So yeah, now create project. Okay. Now we're gonna start drawing the bird. So yeah, 7px, the pen is gonna be 7px, yeah, and this is the base. Remember to put it on the first layer. So yeah, now changing the opacity and we're going on layer 2. So just literally just outline it and maybe change a little bit of it if it doesn't look good. Yeah, so just do whatever you like, and if it looks ugly you can change it the way you want. Now I'm gonna lasso it and then just rotate it a little bit. So basically, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna draw the eyes and the beak and of course the wings. So first we're on eyes and now we're gonna do a beak. It's very easy. Okay, now we're gonna erase the little part and then we're just going to replace it with the wing. Okay. Erase it. Okay, now the other wing. Okay, now the feet. It's very easy. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna fill it with the colors you want. So basically the back wing is supposed to be dark color. Yeah, and the beaks too. Yeah. Okay. Now let's do this. Just follow what erase and then you can just draw it back, like this, just a little bit, yeah. And it doesn't need to be like too different, but if it's just like too close, then the animation will be sort of strange and it will take time. So yeah, but if you think it's like too far or it's too different, then you can just fix it. Yeah. So now I'm working on the third one. Okay. So yeah. And now I'm looking for the color. Okay. Now it seems a little bit moving now, but it doesn't look good yet. So we're gonna keep adding frames. So yeah. Animation is looking good, yeah. By the way, I added a frame, so that's why I turned off onion, but you can always turn it back on, If you're, having trouble, you can just always turn it back on. It's no big deal. Okay, we're almost done. So yeah, there you go. Okay, now I'm just going to remove the frames that I added earlier. Okay, now we're gonna work on the background. So yeah, you can make any background you want, but I'm just going to go off with a simple one. So yeah, we need the brush, like the paintbrush brush for this. So yes. Now we need to lasso it up and then copy it and then paste it to all the bottom layers of the frames. So just like that, we've got our little animation. So yeah, now we have to vivavideo and just edit it a little bit with some speed, some duplicating, some reversing, and you can also use any type of video editing app, but I use vivavideo. Now we're gonna need that again and then just duplicate it and reverse it, So we're just going to keep doing that until it's long enough and play around with the speed until you're satisfied. I'm just going to go with, normal speed actually, because it looks more better. So yeah. Now, if you have a VIP, you can use that one. And here you go.